Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a form builder to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to collect information from visitors, whether you're gathering contact details, feedback, or any other data you need for your business. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Logging in gives you access to all the widgets and tools Elfsite offers, including the form builder we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Click on Add New App to start creating your form. This will open up a search function where you can browse through all available widgets. In the search bar, type Form Builder and select it from the results. This tool is specifically designed to help you create custom forms that can be embedded anywhere on your website. Now you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are pre-designed to suit different purposes, whether you need a contact form, survey, registration form, or something else entirely. Browse through the options and select the template that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template to proceed to the customization stage. After selecting your template, you'll land on the editing interface where you can fully customize your form. Here you can build your own form from scratch or modify the existing template. You can add, remove, or rearrange fields to match exactly what information you want to collect. This flexibility ensures your form serves your specific purpose perfectly. Next, click on the email section within the editor. This is where you'll insert the email address where you want to receive form submissions. Make sure you enter a valid email address that you check regularly, as this is how you'll receive all the information submitted through your form. Beyond the basic structure, you can also edit the layout, appearance, settings, and integrations for your form. The layout options let you control how fields are arranged, while appearance settings allow you to match your form's colors and fonts to your brand. The settings section includes options like notifications and required fields, and integrations let you connect your form to other tools you might be using. Take your time here to ensure everything looks and functions exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Publish at the top of the screen. This makes your form active and ready to embed. After publishing, go ahead and click the Close button to exit the customization interface. Now you'll see your form listed in your Elfsite dashboard. Look for the three dots beside your form builder entry and click them. From the menu that appears, select Embed Code. This will generate a unique code snippet for your specific form. Click to copy this code. You'll need it in just a moment. Now switch over to your Squarespace website. Navigate to the page where you want to add your form and click the Edit button to enter edit mode. This allows you to make changes to your site's content and layout. Select the section where you want your form to appear. Once you've chosen the right spot, click Add Block to open the block menu. From the options presented, click Embed. This block type is specifically designed for adding custom code to your Squarespace pages. After adding the embed block, you'll see a placeholder. Click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. In the settings menu, click Code Snippet and then click Embed Data. This is where you'll insert the code you copied from Elfsite. Paste the code into the field provided. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters. Once it's in place, click Save to apply the embed. Then click Exit to leave the editing mode and return to viewing your page. And there you have it, your custom form builder is now live on your Squarespace website. Visitors can now fill out your form directly from your page, and you'll receive all submissions straight to your email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.